Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I am so excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for March. Geared Up Garage is our class this month, and it features the Stampin Up Geared Up Garage Cling Mount Stamp Set. This is a Cling Mount 10-piece stamp set, and it is included in option A for the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom Geared Up Garage class. All right, so the class is available for registration now through March 11th and will ship the week of March 25th. There are two options for this class. Option A is with the Cling Mount stamp set and all the kits. So this is how you'll receive your packet. Inside, you'll have the Geared Up Garage stamp set. You'll have the kits for all of your projects. There's 1, 2, 3 cards, all of your die cutting, embossing. It's all done for you. And there's 2 projects. So you'll see that you have one project with its pieces and a second project with all of its pieces. Cut, embossed, ribbons, embellishments, everything's there for you. Option A includes the online classroom where you will get a video tutorial for each card and project, a printable project sheet that includes full color photos, measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and supply lists. This option is $36 to go with $8 USPS flat rate priority shipping if required. Now, if you're taking the class to go and you're local to the Chicago area and you can do a pickup for your to-go class, the shipping will be waived. If you require it mailed, it'll be additional $8. Option number 2 for this class is online only. So maybe you're a demonstrator, or you don't live in the United States, you have a demonstrator you love, you already have the Geared Up Garage bundle, whatever it is, you can still take the class with me in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom, and that is $15, and you can register for that for either option at KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. Now, we are in celebration, so if you're gonna order option A and you'd like to add $29 in products, maybe the Geared Up or the Garage Gears Thinlits, you can also order a free celebration item. That's right. The order form at KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom will have that option for you. Just fill out the form accordingly if you want to grab the bundle and get the gears too, or the Garage Gears Thinlits too. Let me just give you a quick peek at what the class includes. So I said 2 projects, 3 cards, right? So I've got a Happy Father's Day. This is a candy bar box. And then we've got a coordinated card to go with our candy bar box. There is this fun gift card holder, Geared Up to Celebrate. The Hershey Kisses can go in this gift card holder, and a coordinated all Geared Up to Celebrate card. And then finally, You're a Classic. This is a great masculine card for any occasion, retirement, Father's Day, birthday, just lots of fun projects in this class. If you have any questions about the online classroom, please email me, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com, and to register, buzz over to KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the online classroom.